Morning, guys. It's August 25th, 2023. So now I got a call from a lady. Her son put some watermelon rinds in a garbage disposal. Now she said it's not grinding anymore. I said, well, that's kind of dumb. Put the watermelon rinds in the garbage disposal? How stupid is that? But anyway, that's the story. We're going to go over there and see if we can find out what's going on with the garbage disposal. Why it won't work. Why it won't drain. Unbelievable. I mean, never a dull moment. That's all I can say. Never a dull moment, Miss Molly. Never a dull moment. No. Yeah. Well, there's quite a bit of stuff in there still, so it won't grind it up.
I don't know. It wouldn't grind. It happened the night before last, and I pulled everything out of there and yelled at, and
it's stuck.
It makes noise.
Yeah.
It makes noise.
Well, it's probably bound up. If I had a list of stuff not to put in the garbage disposal,
I wish you'd give it to me. Then
watermelon rinds would probably be in the top of the list.
All right, what else is on the list?
I don't know. You just gotta kind of go easy with whatever you put in there, and you know what I'm saying. I mean, you don't want to put stuff in there. Now you gotta call the plumber. And
well, this is the first time I've ever needed this kind of help. So
yeah, see, it's bound up.
No, I wasn't in the kitchen when he was cutting this up. I don't know how big the pieces were.
Yeah, let's see if we can get it to move.
I just didn't know. If I realized that it was going to cause a problem, I would have told him to put it in the garbage.
All right, let's see if it works now.
That's it. Is it grinded?
Yeah, it's grinded.
Is there anything in there to grind?
Yeah, well, I just ground up what was in there, and it's free now.
Okay.
See, what happens is there's a key on the very bottom of that where if it does get bound up, you could free it manually and then turn it on, and a lot of times they'll take care of it. So you got lucky. You got lucky. I mean, that's good.
That's good. I like being lucky.
How's the old man doing with retirement?
Well,
it's not easy, huh? You know,
he's struggling. He's not completely retired, and he's struggling to do what he's doing.
Okay. He don't want to give it up, no.
Well, there are still clients. I don't think there will. Because he didn't.
Well, maybe not. There's some plastic in there. I see some shit in there. Some plastic down in there. Maybe I can get them pieces out. Maybe. Cut it off, so it should be fine. Never stick your fingers down in there. Never. I think I might have got it. Plastic, that's out of there. Alright, I think I got the plastic on it there the best I can.